Alright folks, here is a quick and practical look at Minitab. I'll show you what the full version gives you with every chart, regression, and quality tool active. Your daily analysis work is about to get smoother. Practical step 1. Pull the installer from our page. Kick it off, and the Minitab engine settles onto your machine. The worksheet library and chart packs come right along. The whole install wraps in seconds. Practical step 2. The engine configures itself, hooking up the regression suite, the control charts, and the DOE templates automatically. You do not have to click anything. It runs end to end by itself. Practical step 3. We open the program. The worksheet shows columns, calculations, and the graph window all live and ready. Your next analysis can begin at any moment in today's session right away. That is it for the practical walkthrough. Head to our page to grab the package and start your next study with full confidence. Every macro and template is included in the bundle, all set to go.